When it comes to data entry, there are a few tricks. Let's first of all open up, say, the table employee. When it comes to moving between fields and between records, first of all, Tab key or Enter key is considered the conventional key to move forward through each of the fields. And Shift Tab is considered the conventional key to move backwards. But you can use your mouse and use your arrow keys. The End key takes you to the end of a record, and the Home key takes you to the beginning of a record. But also realise that if you have more than one record, you've got buttons down here called navigation buttons, and they move you to the next record, the last record, the previous record, and the first record. And if you want to go to a specific record, you can click in this box here and enter the record number that you want to jump to. Alternatively, you also have the Go To. A Go To button appears in your Home tab in the ribbon, and that will allow you to go to the first record, last record, and so forth. There are some shortcut keys also with regards to entering data. For example, if I wanted to enter a birth date that was today's date for some bizarre reason, I could go Control semicolon. Control semicolon is today's date. If I take that out, Control colon is the time, the current time. And I can take that out. And if I want to repeat what's above, I can go Control and single quote or apostrophe, and that repeats what's above. So those are some of the shortcut keys you have available to you. And I'll press Escape. If I happen to be in a field and I want to enter a second line, let's go across to Notes, for example. I can type something. And if I press Control Enter, I actually insert a second line. Now it's quite hard for me to see that second line because of the height of the row, but if I place my mouse over here and drag down, I can see that I can actually increase the height of the row and increase the width of the column as well. And so Control Enter allows me to insert another new line. Now with regards to the attachment field, let's close this particular table, save yes, and let's open up the customer table. When we created the customer table, we created an attachment data type. Now how this works is, if I double click here on this particular little paper clip, which tells me there's currently 0 documents attached, I'm able to attach extra files. If I click the Add button, I can then run off and choose a file that I want to attach to this particular record. So let's just choose something. And I might choose a Word document. And so I can attach this file here, Playpen, and Open, and OK. And in the brackets I now see a 1, which means that one document has been attached. If I wish to attach another file, I'll double click it, I'll click Add, and this time I might go and grab an Excel file. And now I've attached a second file, and when I click OK, I can see I've got 2 attachments. So you can attach multiple documents, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, PDF files, any type of document, to a particular record. If I double click it again, I can easily then just double click and open. And I can read what's in that document, and then I can close it. And the same with Excel. I can click on this Excel file and open it, and read what's in that document, and close it. I can also remove attachments just by hitting the Remove button. And OK. And now I have 0 attachments. So the attachment field is very handy when you want to attach documents to a particular record. Everything else I think is pretty straightforward. Just like other programs, you can copy and paste, and you can cut and paste. And you can delete just as easily. So I'll close this table.